Why do I always sneeze the second I step into the sun?
Because I'm too bright for you to handle.
Oh, great. Here we go again. Achoo!
That sneeze isn't random. It's called the Photic Sneeze Reflex. When bright light hits your eyes, nerves send signals that cross. Talk with your sneeze reflex.
Wait, my eyes make me sneeze? That's teamwork.
Too many signals at once. I say light. Nose says sneeze. Ugh, fine, we're sneezing.
Around 1 in 4 people have this reflex, and it's totally harmless.
Whew. At least now I know it's science, not allergies.
See? I just make brains work overtime.
Follow Micro Health Fact for more tiny body